Hi there, greetings from my lovely sunny rooftop in Hurghada. I'm inviting you, if you'd like to join us for the next 3 months of Energy Magic. So, on the last Friday of the month, I've been doing some energy workshops for those who like to do energy work, for learning, for evolution, for healing, for enjoyment, for staying in touch with themselves and our evolution journey. So this month is the end of December and the end of the year. So we will be spending in the energy of gratitude, not only for the year gone by, but for the year ahead, creating the emotion and feeling of gratitude and thanks in advance for what we want to come helps to create the energy of attraction. So join us for this month's Energy Magic Workshop at the end of December. Then in January, we go to creativity and creating energy rich language. Did you ever wonder why blessings, prayers, poetry, meditation language touches and moves you so much? Well, learn how to create that. We call it paranormal language, and you too can tap into that creativity stream where your words carry extra energy that touches the world and in the different forms that you can use it. Beautiful, um, beautiful experience and great for those for creativity. Then in February, our third in the next 3 months, in the love month, is how do you not only love yourself, but fall in love with yourself. And why is it a good idea? And so let's actually fall in love in this workshop and watch what happens in our lives when we do. So, if you're interested to join us for the next 3 months, extend your membership if you've already been a member in the past of our Energy Magic workshops. Get in touch and I'll send you a registration link and look forward to seeing you later in the month. Meantime, enjoy the build up to Christmas and wish you and your families a happy, warm, full of love and joy this holiday season.